Tired of the old piggy bank routine? Let's ditch the coins and level up your child's financial game with a Revolut Junior account. First, open your Revolut app. You'll need a personal Revolut account to set this up. Look for the Junior section. It might be on the main dashboard or tucked away in the Hub or More tab at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you'll see an Add Junior Account or a similar button. Click that to kick things off. Revolut might ask you to verify your identity here for security reasons, so just follow the on-screen prompts if needed. Next up, enter your child's details, their name, date of birth, and all that jazz. Remember, they need to be within the eligible age range for Revolut Junior. Also confirm your and your child's address. Time for some fun. Choose a cool card design for your child's Revolut Junior card. Pick one they'll love, make it their own. If you wish to order a physical debit card at this stage, choose that option. This is where you set the rules of the game. Set spending limits, enable or disable features like online spending, and choose to receive real-time notifications whenever your child uses their card. It's all about safe and responsible spending. And bam, you're all set. Now you and your child can track their spending, set savings goals, and learn all about money management together in a secure and modern way. Don't forget to tell them to keep their cards safe.